Spreadsheet Project. Saanvi has been asked by the school librarian to create an Excel worksheet for entering the records of books kept in the library. Help Saanvi in creating the worksheet. Also, help her in manipulating and editing the worksheet as per the given guidelines. Step 1. Open a new Excel workbook and save it with the name Library Data. Step 2. Enter the data as shown in the table. Step 3. Merge the cells of the first row and write the heading. Step 4. Enter the values for the serial number column using the autofill feature. Step 5. Highlight the cells with light green color and the text with dark green color. Step 6. Delete the rows having row numbers 14, 15 and 16. Step 7. Insert 2 new rows before row number 8 and enter the data of 2 books. Step 8. Rename the worksheet to Book Data. Step 9. Save the workbook.